Today on In the Box, we'll be unboxing the new OnePlus 7T. This device is exclusive to T-Mobile in the United States, but you can order it directly from OnePlus as an unlocked device. So let's begin to look at it. As you guys can see, the box itself is a little different than your traditional cell phone box. It's a longer box, really bright orange. It looks like everything inside of the box is bright orange. Now we have the sleeve. Inside of this sleeve, it looks like we have all of the books that typically come with all cell phones. You'll have your start guide, your terms and conditions, warranty booklets. I'm trying to do this with one hand here. Alright, it looks like this is all of it. Is there anything else? Nope. Alright, so let's go ahead and see what was inside of this sleeve. First, we have the welcome start guide. Now it looks like the welcome start guide is also designed as a longer booklet for this phone. I mean, I guess that's pretty cool. You still have the terms and conditions and the warranty booklet, and that comes with most cell phones now. And you have a pack of stickers. These stickers are actually pretty cool. I might keep those and put those on my notebooks or agenda book. Now we have the device. This device feels pretty sturdy. It feels like a strong device, as you guys can see with the 3 camera lenses on the back. Sealed pretty well. Now let's see what's under this here. We have a clear case. Now I do believe the older OnePlus devices did come with a clear case as well, so they are keeping that going. We have the SIM popper. This is used for phones that have the built-in SIM card where you can remove the battery in order to place the SIM under the battery. So you'll probably use that tool once in a while. We have the USB-C cable. I like the color of this cable, this bright orange thing. It's kind of, I mean, the appeal is nice. And we have this charging base. Now, I do believe the OnePlus charging base is, there we go, the warp charge. So it's supposed to charge your phone a lot faster than your traditional charger. So let's take a look at the device. I mean, we might as well, since we have it out. A couple things that you notice compared to the previous model, the camera does not come out of the top and the front facing is built right on. And they have the 3 camera lenses on the back with the flash built in. This device, I like the way it feels. This might be a phone that I use as my main device for a little while. I like the way it feels in my hand. Let me see if I can power it up here. We have the mute key. I'm pretty sure that slider is supposed to mute the device when on loud. Yeah, so I'm gonna test this phone out, and I might add a video about my review. So share and subscribe, and thanks for tuning in, guys.